Thank you. Now, no, say we don't come and give me that.
Get some songs so they just penetrate.
No, but when I did first see the video of this song, with the way Flavor already do one video, Chidima do one video with Flavor. Now Flavor call do. And they do so very romantic, something.
No,
so the last time,
they were very cozy.
The last time I did with her for about I won't ask her. Because that day she was very open and feel the gist. I can't see my keep, but thank God I keep quiet because I can't see.
You have asked.
No.
As a veteran on BOBOS YARN, you have asked.
You know why? We were gisting me and Chidima. That day she was very open. And I have one video of Chidima where she danced. If you see that video, the day I go play, and one day we play maybe for this our show. She danced well. But I thank God I don't ask her because I forgot myself. She do one interview some days ago. She talk say she no one marry any celebrity. Say she feels not 3 months wahala with that. So I'm very happy because you know that I did not ask.
I favor you because you are not a celebrity.
Yeah, you understand. I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
Yeah, it's good. It's good. Yes, I beg gonna say this one now on a night tonic we with the caricature songs in our church and things them we consign babies and bobos. Make it for all of us. This now the show we call
BOBOS YARN.
And we done the same relationship since 2014. Wired set.
Yeah.
Like Pato Ranking going on, I'm not so with the dig and right down for here today. When I know Sanofi day alone without my men them. Chakra.
The peace ambassador.
Yeah, excellent.
Hey, we're not going to hear one. My people, how are they? Meanwhile, you know, say we see they talk about this social media. I will clear it right now, point blank and categorically. Say now we'll go to Matthews. Now they make us know they read una tweet. So
are you alright?
Please. Anytime from henceforth from
why you stop?
I don't know.
Showman from reading their tweets.
So we are from next week. He said from next week. Let's have mercy on him. That's one.
Our iPad will tell they read this thing. You give your girlfriend as.
You don't give the girlfriend as. He they use our iPad. They do live chats now. Him and Ingel. And Ingel know how to give us topic well. When you don't call it, we just hear. Is it possible for a girl to be alone 6 years without seeing her boyfriend? I say we'll go. I say we'll go. This girl is telling you something.
No, that means he's still using the iPad well.
Yeah, he's using it.
To the glory of the show.
To the glory of the show, he's giving us more topics on the show. So I like when two of you are going on.
If you must Skype with that iPad, don't Skype when people are naked. Because the company iPad, you can wear your clothes and Skype and talk about BOBOS YARN. Them say naked, say, baby, can you see my this thing? Don't try to.
Then I also want to tell you people also that we have a special surprise for all our fans sometime in December. Keep waiting, you hear it from this space in December. We'll blast your brain. Hopefully you will see all of us live. So let us just, we have not lied against you. Now, anything we talk for here. Me and Shakara, as far as we know, since when this week.
No, they do like we are beats. President program will come up for here.
You know, say we close to independence now. Nobody they lie again. Everybody is having freedom. Freedom to crank for Shakara. My own freedom to be a celebrity who I should be. Your own is...
You already cast yourself here, say...
I don't be now, so I have freedom. Yes, now.
Say because you not be celebrity and you won't be celebrity. That's what you said here.
I don't want to be a celebrity.
Me now, call the worry, say Chidima no one marry celeb because I am a celeb.
She don't want marry celeb.
So she don't want marry
celeb. Make we talk this matter where we dey always carry concern. Now, today matter dey very specific because now still owner still tell us say me we can't talk about this matter again because of without owner we don't fit dey here.
I better drink. People say you never drink today. Are you?
Ugo, when do they drink?
Ugo, we no problem now.
No, Ugo be like who the condition. Woman tell us
say for the next 1 month. Ugo is that kind of woman that a woman can tell. He says most women like her. When he can control the man.
But if I say, what often they come from office like this, come this bar today. Now me and just carry people for it, say, man, we will kill this boy today.
No, I noticed that thing.
For me and Showman to come in agreement and talk about your weaknesses.
I don't know it was a weakness. We are just saying it's a weakness. But maybe it's a weakness. Is it a weakness?
It is.
Is it a weakness for President Obama to agree to meet with a Russian president? And is that a weakness?
No, that's not a weakness. But
I beg, matter I want to talk about
for Ugo is a weakness.
Now.
It's really a weakness.
Come on, mission.
It's a weakness.
Present the news. Present the news.
It's a news. Can you shout and give your girlfriend? You have never screamed at your girlfriend before you. You.
Read the news now. Say my name. It is Ugo.
My name.
It is
Ugochukwu Matus. What we are talking about today is how long man suppose dey on top woman. That's the matter we want to talk about today. Because we know say we don't talk about them and una still tell us say make we really still go nitty gritty inside them. How long man suppose dey on top woman? Now I throw the floor open.
basically 20 minutes is a pass
Does
mark.
it feel this lonely?
See 20 minutes. It's a pass mark.
Within that 20 minutes, wetin be the nitty gritties what you need to do to make it stay that long?
So good.
There's this song. Hey, I beg
You get me shown now.
Which kind of idiot is this?
Feeling all alone. Oh. Feeling like the right time.
Your voice alone, now distraction.
I'm telling you.
My friend, keep quiet, I
The
beg.
song says how long?
You get away, you did.
How long?
You don't know who they go. All these boys, so they go this choir bomb church. They go sing song. English, everybody hear them. You know what I'm saying? What a friend we have in Jesus. The song is saying, what a friend we have in Jesus. Now, what thing don't carry it?
I have been in
this song just explain yourself with the talk.
I have been a very good. Let me tell you, Chakara, you are
No,
not. You just made a mistake by saying 20 minutes.
It's not a mistake. It's
Yeah,
my own. Let me
mistake.
let me finish.
He has right.
Let me
If
finish.
you they tell me clearly now, say
Let
you
me
are
finish.
among the people that don't care about your woman.
This one.
Why will you tell us
Let me
time?
tell you. Listen.
The woman should tell you the time.
Listen. If you are a man, you don't know the time that you need to satisfy a woman.
No.
Then you are not.
What
a man
you are
yet.
saying is that if you are a man and you don't know your ability, that
No.
if you-
Shakara is saying 20 minutes is a pass mark.
Where this boy come?
Why is 20 minutes a pass mark?
Let me tell you. Let me tell you.
There are some
listen.
women, ladies, that if you go 20 minutes, you are just beginning. Chakara, I've been there before.
how many hours I won't say? Since when they go award, when they give people different award, all award they will do from Grammy to every award to hip hop
They
award.
have
Emmy, so everything.
We
You
never
don't see
hear
award
award
for
of say
cracking.
the best wiper of the year. Come and take
Come
your
and
award.
take.
They have never.
You understand?
But you know
No
one
award.
thing. But you know one thing. And I put in a topic that we'll do very soon. One of these days. The woman is the one that is giving you the award. Your woman, every woman knows the best sex she has ever had in her whole life.
Of course they know. But the question is how long?
So
You foolishly
that's
sang
why
the
I'm
song and
telling
you're not
you.
listening to the song.
That's why they tell you now.
20
Say,
minutes is enough.
you are supposed to now allow
If
the
you
woman.
can go,
Then she
let me
be
tell
the
you.
one
Let
to
me
tell you how long.
Let me know. No.
But I have some men that are 20 minutes, they are just started.
Eh.
Because when they begin their foreplay,
No.
there are some series of foreplays that can
see,
extend
see,
to
Chakara,
20 minutes.
cracking is not a movie.
Wait.
Cracking is not a movie.
Listen, let's
Cracking
get the
is a
question right.
series.
My friend, wait. I
Hey,
don't want to shout.
You don't watch it all.
You know,
You keep watching,
Chakara,
watching,
you don't just
watching,
know.
Listen,
Chakara.
I can't shout. I'm a piece of butter. I can't shout. Now listen to my point now. The question is how long man supposed to stay on top of woman? That is cracking.
Yes.
We're not talking about how long man supposed to stay with woman inside room.
No.
Do you know what? Because we are talking about foreplay.
get
If
you.
they talk about foreplay and the rest.
Foreplay is part of cracking now.
No, let's put the
let me
foreplay
tell
now.
you.
Okay,
We're
let's stay
talking
on the
of-
cracking.
Let's take
When
foreplay.
On the cracking.
when one don't enter zero, how long?
How long?
That process.
How long?
Supposed to take.
Now,
So now make I can say
20 minutes is a good pass
it's
mark.
okay because for better kwekus, especially kwekus where you never visit
Before.
frequently or you never visit before. My brother, you are dragging within 5 minutes of your time. You know, some of us will pull out. That's why I like that where they say bend down, pause. You know which song?
Yes,
song?
Run Town and Whiskey. Everybody bend down, pause. Everybody bend down. That's what they
Thank
pause.
you.
Just bend.
Now you see why I like that song? Because if you don't listen to that song, if you don't go by the flow of that song, you just go bend down. You just
But there was a time in the song when they go bend.
But you have been pausing.
They are more bending
You
than the pausing.
Now, if you dey crank, if you that makes some women, because you say guy dey crank, can't stop, come begin kiss them. So, oh, these guys so romantic.
Yes.
Now, like It's not romantic. He's trying
trying
to come down
yes.
and
So
return.
it does not come.
Return
Now that
everything.
is where I stopped you. That is why I stopped you. Because now, Shakara, you said 20 minutes is a good time. I tell you no. That the woman should determine. Now, you sang a song, bend down, pause. When you dey crank woman, and you notice that the woman never come, you are not in any place to say you are having a benchmark, say 20 minutes. You will now do the bend down, pause method, that even if you come, you must still go again. Because you must make sure that your woman comes before you can now check your time if you have a wristwatch or a clock to know how long it will stay on the woman.
When we come back, we shall bend down and keep pausing. We are coming back, don't go anywhere.
Everybody bend down, pause.
Like me, let me say 3 minutes. 3 minutes is okay, and the girl will be satisfied.
You mean me? Today on top woman. I don't think. Well, what I would like to talk is people must use like maybe 1 hour on the woman.
At least in a normal procedure, the man supposed to date woman up to 1 hour plus for her to feel and calm down.
But most girls, they want it like 30 minutes, 1 hour. Then just that time, they go to say the guy really did good on sex. And it's not so. Once they're able to let the girl get the satisfaction, and they, some girls do release, They even demand for it. They say, baby, you can't stop now, let me come, those kind of things. It happens. I think 30 minutes for good sex, and those are not so that they don't really enjoy sex, 3 minutes.
Yes,
I cover my ear.
No, I cover my ear with the blood. Stop it.
Both you and your street people today.
Stop it.
You and your street people today.
Stop it.
Please, I'm a guest on the show.
We are trying to make sure that people are doing the right thing in their relationship.
Let us.
You are a relationship organizer.
As a guest on the
Now,
show.
You
let
are
us say,
a organizer.
truly, if you just join us, na BOBOS YARN be this. No matter what they talk about today, now say how long man supposed to say on top woman. Now, say how long woman supposed to say on top woman again, determine on the skills of the man.
Yes, now
it is. When you dey crank, no be just one-way traffic. When you do the one-way traffic, you will never satisfy.
But there are some women when they just like the missionary method.
No.
You will never satisfy your woman when you do one-way traffic.
That one. You cannot dance. You don't have a point there.
What you?
Look at you.
You have to have skills.
Let me tell you, leave your skills. So women don't care about your skills.
Yes, so
women get their position. Once they did that position, they can land as many times as possible.
On top that same position, self, you when you be man, self supposed to get skills on how to handle the woman.
If you have a Calabar girl, then good for you. Because the Calabar girl is the only girl that you are very, very sure that can take you. Calabar girls are they can do everything.
No be only
for you.
You
have
them in all tribes.
You don't say this situation man talk like Calabar girls. You know say this last week, this song where this boy sing, this reggae blues. The girl where already part come say, Enugu girls they like to do. Now one Calabar girl did the club verse. I'm going home. Which Enugu girls? Where they keep us?
Enugu girl.
For
I saw
this
there's one video where I know Alfred post and she tagged me inside. I tried to remember that video on Instagram of one girl they say the reason why Calabar girls, that's the Calabar girls, now them sabi doggy pass. Now because they are very good at eating dogs. See, no girl in Nigeria to compete with any Calabar girl when it comes to doggy because we eat dog. She can't do dogs and hello, can't do that as a dog. The hair, the back. Calabar girls they are specialists when it comes to how they want to hold you as a man. They are, they get some girls where they lazy. We just like you lie down there, do anything you want to do.
Meanwhile,
and they are okay.
Meanwhile, where I can tap this guy, point they say.
So you want them to say no good man gets very good cranking skills.
But you have to listen.
You see,
listen to your woman like
I agree with Shakara small because you see cranking.
Listen to your woman self. You must have skills.
There are some men that just feel say do they want to use these skills as award or like say they go forget about the woman. Some men did, you understand them? When I'm coming, sorry,
no, that one is being selfish anyway.
No, not being selfish. Some men they will be say,
no listen to
for
your
instance now, some men they will be say they don't program sex. Say every 5 minutes we must change style. You understand? Change your style. Another one. So in 5 minutes the girl leg is on the ceiling. The other minute she's giving doggy. They're not knowing that at this moment I'm coming when the girl they on doggy, she they enjoy that position more. But because you dey found say you get skills, you don't go dey attentive.
I understand what you mean.
Let me tell you something. Some women, let me just describe something. It might be very funny.
Okay.
Now, a woman's something. You know, some people then believe when they don't see the whole of this flat surface, they don't see pekus. Maybe like pekus is down. Okay, you understand?
Okay, I'm learning.
Yes, but this side get a lot of sensation when they connect. This side be like where they generate light, give this down, and then man on the same. Man, flat here, but the main this thing there. So you see these two places where they come, they touch each other. It's something very strong for a lot of women. So you wake on the hip, say I want to do different style. When they say you just climb a woman, she don't really feel this touch. That time because say the cock sees you.
Okay, I want to give you. I want
they
to.
Don't
I
see
want
so
to.
not be different
Let
positions.
me see whether. Let me see.
I don't talk of
no,
positions.
let me
talk
go.
of skills.
I want to even agree now a bit with you go because
I don't talk of skills.
I know what you're saying.
Talk of position.
I have used before in this bar. Remember when we began? Say when they talk about which one who they enjoy sex part, whether a man or woman. Where I use ear. For example, say if your ear they scratch you and you put your finger, they scratch your ear. Which one they enjoy and pass? That the finger being at the ear. Now the ear they enjoy and pass.
No.
You know if your ear they scratch you. You get how you they use the cutting board or your finger. You get where you go. You get where you go. You get where you go. No, I'm coming.
Because the hand don't feel anything.
No, what I'm saying is that listen now.
One
listen.
they see something.
Listen. The hand here is not feeling. Listen to me.
Listen to me.
If you behave like the finger and the ear, when you are cranking your babe, then you have a very good sex life.
You
Hear me
cannot
well.
behave like
Hear
that
me
because
well.
the
Hear me well
sensation
now.
that will come to your
Let
head.
me finish now. Let me finish.
Shakara,
I
when it
want
comes
to
to
tell
skills,
I want to tell you about the skills.
There is a way you handle your woman that your woman will never
Shakara,
forget it. It is not about the style.
You see your finger that you said
No.
does not feel anything, Abi? It's a very good point of the man's abuna. I'm coming. And the man's part is the ear that is feeling something. Now, you have to behave like the finger. That I'm coming now. Don't enjoy yourself first. Don't feel I must enjoy it. You have to finger every places in the ear to make sure. That is why there are some men, most men will get cough abuna. You get some men when they abuna cough like this, you know, like banana. They hit the right spots. Because there are spots you must touch. Are you getting what I'm saying?
I'm not getting I understand very well.
You do, but
I understand very well.
Okay.
But let me tell you, if you want to go by skills, that means you have to teach your woman that. Not be teaching practically. You do something else to let her know, say, this one self get groove like the one where you know.
But let me tell you the skills. The best skills are what I agree with you go down. If a Messi wants to pass football to you, there are different ways of doing it. Messi no need to even let you know say I won't pass ball. He don't do like this. He don't pass ball, you understand?
You
so
understand?
there are skills that your wife
when it comes to
when you want to give her
you know say you na fit just dey wey be say your woman like missionary. You just dey there like that. You can't wait. When you can't wait, when you can't enter there, there are some movements that your waist need to move. Your waist need to move. The movements you carry from your waist that will go right. It's very simple. Come on, my brother.
Don't just Sandy when they sing all your gifts, put up the light. But let me say when they offline, say you go shift, your way go shift. It's so you see.
You know I don't really know about these things.
This is your opinion. When we come back, we're gonna yam on talking. I don't go anywhere. I see BOBOS YARN. When they come back, no, it's the truth.
Hey, it depends now, my sister. It depends. Some people they last, some people not they last. So I think it's a natural thing.
Everybody not be the same thing. All the man, they not be the same thing.
Okay, I'm just guessing. Probably an hour.
1 hour.
Woman is supposed to on top of woman when the woman is satisfied. One woman don't date satisfied. Because some men they know they feel satisfied their wife or their girlfriend.
You understand? Some people are gifted in staying long. Some people.
But me, maybe they go just stay for 5 minutes. They will just let them stand up for the on top of woman. I don't know, but everybody know be the same thing. All men are different.
Yes, now welcome back. Nancy BOBOS YARN on top WAazobia TV. And the matter we talk about today, if you just join us, Nancy, how long man supposed to on top woman?
One more time, I disagree again, both with Honor and people for the streets. I don't know why today it be like that. Now, some of people from the street don't talk, and Honor they say until you satisfy the woman. Now, and they the mission now to satisfy her, satisfy she don't come, they're happy, weak. You know that's a weak person.
You know the weak.
What?
You know the weak most girls.
Who tell you with the same most girls? And they call woman and make me land.
It keeps them on.
Who tell you? Some ladies don't even want me even touch them again. And you never land. This thing make me not cry one girl for my school days. I don't know. You understand? I can't go to do all that play. Carry my hand, I don't know, I don't know, say, it didn't land. But I don't even know which one coming, which one. Wait, now lie. Now lie, she want to. Now maybe just the play. Like, now maybe just the play. As she lands, finish line, so she push me, come out. Hey, I thought they would send me work. Who sent me?
Now, but,
no be joke. Now they tell now.
Let me tell you,
it's not always good like that.
But the truth, see, let me tell you something.
Some no agreement near them.
If your woman plane
don't land,
if your woman fly to land, and at that time your woman said we're going to call more passengers to enter to the flight.
Now it's simple.
I'm not sure.
Now it's simple, Shakara. I don't know how you this here.
Okay, what if you continue? Wait, must still continue. What if you decide to continue? She ready, Abi? You continue. You know, so you don't carry her, you don't start her engine again to one level. Now to bring her down again. Now you be the main. But you don't come bring her down again. You can't come down. So what do you do then?
Now let me tell you, most times, for every guy where the day is sync with their girl, you understand? When you know say your girl won't come, when they crank her most times, you go see different reactions when she they do. And most times, the girl either the breathing go dey faster, fingers go down, she don't hold you tight. You test
some the wound person.
So they scratch you with recharge card. I see you understand. You go know. At that moment, you supposed to even begin men they do everything to always want come if you want come. Of course. So that's how you self. There's joy in coming together. Now, if you as a man know say you don't want come when she they come, allow her to come. You understand? If you still want continue, which most girls will allow you, you can continue with what you are doing. When you continue now, if she don't tire,
some people girls when they communicate. Because not so many girls know they fit talk that and say I am coming. No. I want to know.
It depends on the relationship between you and your girlfriend.
It's very difficult to know.
As you and your babe take days. No, it depends as you and your babe take days. Babe, they will tell your boyfriend say then they lie.
I don't expect any girl. Most times, when the girls ever tell me, maybe like after hours when we the gist, go tell me say I came.
No,
let me tell you why. I do not need a girl to tell me I am coming. I know. I know when you come because they are after it. There are different signs. You hold me. The breathing is faster.
Some guys don't pay attention to things like that.
Most girls will always tell you, either they tell you faster. You know that is where
many girls they talk faster. Many girls they get the thing go through there. They go hold you. So you can't say they come with that.
No, any sweetness where any girl hold you.
Okay, but the truth of the matter, I say, as a man, you need to know your woman.
So if a woman,
you need to know
if
your
woman that you are holding
you need to know your woman.
And you are cranking, like you said, this as you are cranking like hospital, she can't hold you very tight. Then I come, at a point now, she don't hold you tight again. She just her hands don't weak. It's obvious she's tired and she don't come with that.
See, to the ladies,
it's obvious.
It's a major ingredient to cranking. You see, even if the man know, once they tell man that thing, say I'm coming. That thing another.
I know
feel
it's good for a girl to tell
now
a man.
Now you go come change the man action. Once man hear that thing,
I'm coming.
if one leg dey grab before, one leg go up.
But it depends on
it's good to come with her too. If two of you come together,
it makes sense. And I go also talk and say to the ladies wey dey there, I beg, anyhow wey be say you dey prefer am or your man dey prefer am, if your man be that kind of guy wey be say he like communication during cranking, try and communicate during cranking, because your communication sometimes they really make your man dey on point. It dey give am that ginger wey be say he need.
There have to be communication, because
there are some young ladies that will not communicate.
That they don't know anything about.
Hold on, sit down.
There are some girls that don't know things about. I'm coming home about spanking. If you don't communicate properly, that if you want to go like this and you say, "Baby, I love you," she understands that this is not spanking.
Meanwhile, let me tell you something.
So communication is very key.
Before we go, there's a very strong point when you are cranking a girl. That's the point. You know, girl, something. There's this upper part, the roof of Kwekus.
The clitoris.
Not clitoris. I mean the roof.
The roof. Just top.
That's up.
Why the roof don't get name?
I don't know the name now. I mean,
talk
about
the leave show man.
Once one enters zero,
I want to advise you
so
that next time when you want to give us this kind of illustration, understand, you'll be able to be well detailed. When you go home tonight,
I should look for the name.
Hold on a second. Hold on. Let her lie down naked. You hold it.
Then how would I not know the name? The right time, the label like this. I think say make I go Google something.
No,
I bet when my feelings are
talking. Ask the girl, darling, you can use your finger so she can feel it.
I get wife. Wait, they have to say if I get home tonight. I get wife.
I beg, I don't get time again. I don't get time again. My time don't finish.
You see that roof? Make sure when your one enter. Watch now. Watch. This is all you do. You see this roof? Anyhow you want to make your son to feel it, touch that roof, my brother. I rest my case because many people just go straight, you know. Not even side though. Not even. I mean the roof.
If you know, just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.